Trade and Industry, the Honorable Manjeri Chebakutika, Woman Member of Parliament, Jinja City. Public Service, the Honorable Anna Adeke Ebaju, Woman Member of Parliament for Soroti District. Presidency and Security, the Honorable Zake Francis Butebi, Mityana Municipality, in Mityana District. Agriculture, Honorable Asinas Nyakato, Woman Member of Parliament, Hoima City. Education, the Honorable Joseph Gonzaga Seungu, Kalungu West in Kalungu District. Defense and Veteran Affairs, the Honorable Karim Masaba, Industrial Division, Mbale City. Internal Affairs, the Honorable Betty Namboze Bachileke, Woman Member of Parliament from Mukono Municipality. Health, the Honorable Nakawa East in Kampala City. Foreign Affairs, the Honorable Mwadanku Nyinji, Chadando East Constituency in Wakiso District. Land, Housing and Urban Development, the Honorable Lutamaguzi Paul Semakula, Nakaseke South Constituency in Nakaseke District. Energy and Minerals, the Honorable Ronald Evans Kanyike, Bukoto East Constituency in Masaka District. Tourism and Industry, the Honorable Nyeko Derrick, Machinde East Constituency. Youth and Children Affairs, Honorable Kabuye Frank, Kasanda North Constituency in Kasanda District. Gender, Labor and Social Development, the Honorable Fortunate Nantongo, Woman Member of Parliament, Chotera District. Finance, Planning and Economic Development, the Honorable Ibrahim Semujunga. Joyce Bagalantwatwa, Woman Member of Parliament for Mityana District. Chairperson Kosase, the Honorable Medad Lubega Segona, Member of Parliament for Busiro East Constituency in Wakiso District. Deputized by the Honorable Alan Mayanja Sebunya, the Member of Parliament for Nakaseke Central in Nakaseke District. Chairperson Public Accounts Committee, the Honorable Muhammad Mwanga Chivumbi, Butambala District. Deputized by the Honorable Namuga Goret from Maugola South Constituency in Sembabule District. Our Deputy Chief Whip, who doubles as Minister for Presidency and Security, the Honorable Zake Francis Butebi, Mityana Municipality, Mityana District. Chief of Honorable Matthias Mpuuga, Nyendo Mukungwe, Masaka City, and the Leader of the Opposition, the Honorable Joel B. Ssenyonyi, Nakawa West, Kampala City. I thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Secretary General. And at this juncture, I want to invite our outgoing Leader of Opposition, the Right Honorable Matthias Mpuuga, to give his remarks.
Much humble Mr. President, colleagues, Deputy Presidents here, my brother and incoming law, the Honorable Joel Ssenyonyi, and the media. It's my singular honor this afternoon to address the nation.
Who doubles as Minister for Presidency and Security, the Honorable Zake Francis Butebi, Mityana Municipality, Mityana District. Chief Opposition Whip, Okau, is the Honorable Nambeshe John Baptist Manjia in Bududa District. Commissioner of Parliament will be the Right Honorable Matthias Mpuuga, Nyendo Mukungwe, Masaka City, and the Leader of the Opposition, the Honorable Joel B. Ssenyonyi, Nakawa West, Kampala City.
Matthias Mpuuga, our outgoing Leader of the Opposition. He has led in very difficult circumstances. The expectations were high from across. Sometimes he was expected to do work that government should be doing. And he bore that burden, but he remained strong. At some point I thought he would give way when there was a lot of fire from left, right and center, but he kept leading us amidst difficult circumstances. And to you, sir, I want to say, I'll keep looking up to you in many ways to guide me on how to operate. And I'm glad you have offered to give me assistance and guidance. I will look forward to that because we keep learning. The Right Honourable Matthias Mpuuga has been in politics for quite a bit of time. This is his third term in Parliament. It's my first term in Parliament, so I have every reason to keep consulting him and the other colleagues on how we ought to do the work that we ought to do. But I'm so glad that he has extended and offered to keep giving guidance, and the rest of the team. And of course, I count on my party leadership and the party membership to be able to do this work, and the team in Parliament that I will be offering leadership. I'm not the most experienced, I'm not the most educated of that team. I don't know, I might not even be the most deserving according to some people, but such is leadership. I look forward to working with all the teams, not just the National Unity Platform from where I come, but the other parties in the opposition to work together, because we are more similar than we are different. I want to call on the people of Uganda